Look around you. The monsters you read about as a kid, they're real. And the key to their survival is making sure none of us know they're here.
In the city that loves to party, just 3 blocks west of the French Quarter, lies a secret world
Dylan?
Kill the lights.
You okay?
where the crimes of the dead are investigated by one of the living, Detective Dylan Dog.
There was a pact among all the undead to appoint a single human as impartial inspector, someone they could trust to protect them from themselves when one of their own crossed the line.
What is this? What is that?
They're the living dead, Marcus. The good news, the condition is, manageable.
This spring,
Don't scream.
What the hell is going on here?
Who's your friend, Dylan? She's got some nice parts on her.
not all the undead are bad.
Oh my God! What's wrong with my arm?
Relax. It's a loner.
My arm is brown.
They were out of Caucasian and your size.
But it's his job
What the hell are you?
to find the ones that are.
What's up, Dylan?
Why didn't you tell me while one of your boys killed a werewolf?
No, that's not one of my boys. Something took a bite out of this guy.
What killed my father?
So what's the plan?
No plan. Just bigger guns.
I think I just leaked something. Oh my God! I look like a dead hooker!
Oh, that's right. Not a big fan of silver, are you?
Zombie power.
Dylan Dog, Dead of Night.
This is a zombie support group? Hi, I'm Marcus, and I'm dead.